Meet the Copacabana Sofa with cushions by Ratana. Sleek, sculptural, and made for the kind of afternoons that turn into evenings. A clean, architectural frame and refined rope detailing create a striking modern profile, while the deep, tailored cushions bring that lounge-worthy comfort to your outdoor living room. Engineered for real life outside, the Copacabana pairs a rust-proof, powder-coated aluminum frame with handwoven, all-weather rope that stands up to sun, rain, and everyday use. It's commercial quality construction that feels sturdy yet pleasantly lightweight, so it's easy to rearrange when you're hosting or chasing the shade. Day-to-day maintenance stays simple. A gentle wipe or quick hose down keeps the frame, rope, and cushions looking fresh. The weather-ready finishes resist fading and corrosion, and the collection is backed by robust residential and commercial warranties for added peace of mind, built to look great season after season. If you want a sofa that looks elevated, feels indulgent, and stands up to the elements, Copacabana checks every box for sophisticated outdoor spaces. So, if you're ready to learn more or shop for this item, our San Diego-based team is ready to help. They've learned about every product firsthand in our showroom, so they can answer any question you have. Or if you're not in the San Diego area, just click the link to this item in the description below.